Having trouble logging into Instagram. Whether you're seeing an incorrect password error, not receiving login codes, dealing with a locked account, or simply can't access your profile, there are several fixes you can try. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Instagram login problems in 2026. First, make sure you're entering the correct username, email address, phone number, and password. Double-check for typing mistakes, extra spaces, or incorrect capitalization. If you can't remember your password, tap the Forgot Password option on the login screen. Follow the instructions to receive a password reset link or verification code. Sometimes login issues are caused by a weak or unstable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then attempt to log in again. Using an outdated version of Instagram can sometimes cause login problems. Open your device's App Store and install any available updates. If you're using the Instagram mobile app, clear the app cache from your device settings. Corrupted temporary files can occasionally interfere with the login process. If Instagram is asking for a verification code, check your email inbox, spam folder, and text messages. Make sure you're using the email address or phone number linked to your account. If the problem continues, try signing in through a different device or web browser. This can help determine whether the issue is related to the app or your account. If none of these methods work, use Instagram's account recovery and support options. Follow the prompts to verify your identity and request assistance, and that's how to fix Instagram login problems. In most cases, checking your login details, resetting your password, updating the app, and completing verification steps will solve the issue. So work through these solutions one at a time, and you'll usually be back in your account pretty quickly. Thanks for watching.